And action. Abby. Abby, come here, big girl. Sit. Watch me. Good girl. Okay, let's go. Abby, come on. Come on, girl. Up, 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 up. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Notice with Abby there how I didn't jerk on the leash. I simply held it in place. And when she stopped or was curious about smelling something, I simply beckoned her with a sweet voice and calming reinforcement. Also, it's very important as you walk with her, like in the park or whatnot, to practice the sit, practice the down, and practice other commands as you're walking. This teaches her that those same rules that apply in the house or at the play area also apply outside when you walk her. Now, if she seems overly distracted while you're walking her, excessively smelling the ground, just quicken up your pace. Quicken up your pace and walk in a very rapid motion like you saw me do. If I do this, good girl. Notice how she keeps smelling. So, quicken your pace up. Abby, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. And finally, you notice how when I practice with her, she walks on the outside of the circle. When you practice that way, she's constantly keeping up with you. So I want you to practice with that until we have our next session. Good girl, Abby. Good girl.